In today's video, I'm going to show you how to insert an image here in the Google Sheets mobile app. Let's get started by tapping on the app itself. Now that we've opened the app, we can select the file that we want to insert the image in, or we can also start a new spreadsheet by tapping on this plus sign right here. We can choose to start with a new spreadsheet or choose a template. We're going to start with a new spreadsheet. Now that we have our spreadsheet, let's select the cell where we want to insert our image. Once you've selected your cell, all you have to do now is to tap on this plus sign right here, which is your insert. And on the fourth row, you'll see image, tap on that. And again, you'll have two options of inserting the image in a cell or over your cells. Let's try image and cell first. So now we have two options of inserting an image from our photos or from our camera. So unfortunately, we cannot search the web for some images, but what you can do is to search for that image in an outside browser, then download it and have it ready in your phone storage. Let's select from photos first. And here are the photos that we can choose from. Once you've selected the one that you like, just tap on it. And there you have it. Now it's quite small. All we have to do to see it better is to zoom in and to resize the size of our cells. Like so. Just tap on the sidelines and adjust them as to how big you want your cells to be. And there you have it. Now let's try and insert an image over the cells. Go back to insert with the plus sign. Go back to image over cells this time, and from the photos again. Select the image, tap on it, and now you've inserted it over your cells. Zooming out, let's resize it and reposition it however we want it to be. And there you have it. We've successfully inserted an image here in the Google Sheets mobile app. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, do leave a like and subscribe for more helpful videos. See you on the next one.